Hello, honorable members of the clan. So let's go to the Knockout High Court, even though it is hours ago. Anyways, guys, I can explain. I was far, far, far away for me to have made a video, but I was paying attention to everything that was going on, and I don't know. It was as if this judge and everything that took place this afternoon in the Knockout High Court, they had listened to the video before this one, where I was saying, listen, guys, no, not before this one, the first video about that letter regarding whatever the guy was saying in that particular letter. And I see a lot of people are coming for me. Others are saying that I misunderstood the letter. Listen, guys, every human being is like a fingerprint. You see your fingerprints? Different. No fingerprints is the same. Even twins do not have the same fingerprints. What you understand and what I understand, it definitely will be two different things. Your opinion and my opinion are going to be two different things unless we do agree on one particular thing because we're thinking it the same, but there will be a slight difference right there. So for you to come and say some of the rudest comments that I have seen, I don't know what you were trying or who you're trying to impress. That is why sometimes I wonder. I hope some of y'all do not have children because you are going to have imjwembe of kids simply by looking at your comment. Sometimes you just need to act an adult if especially you think somebody misunderstood something. Ungazongitshela mina ukuthi now I must understand your brain. I have my own brain. I'm an independent thinker, just like you are an independent thinker. So if you're gonna misunderstand, not misunderstand. So if you understood something differently from how I understood it, that does not give you the right to speak to me in the manner in which you do. Let's respect each other. Let's put it right there. So every time, there's this word called semantics. Semantics simply means how you understand something and how I understand something will be two totally different things. And I did see some people say, they don't believe that Rata gave the full context of what the letter was saying. Okay, again, your own understanding. I respect that. I respect your opinion. Please respect mine as well. What I said in that video, I stand by it. And I'm not going to be shaken or moved simply because you think you're smarter than me. I'm not smarter than you, and you're not smarter than me either. And I'm not going to impose my thoughts on you, just like I do not appreciate you coming in the most rudest way to come and talk to me. I will not accept that. All right. So now let's go to the court this afternoon. Hi, Bo. We were all there last week when Mr. Mnisi got up and basically asked about Mr. Stein's testimony that said there was a conversation, not a link, a conversation between Kelly Kumalo and accused number 3. Kelly Kumalo and accused number 5 at some point. And then Mr. Balo was the one who said they do not have such in their bundles, just like the defense don't have it in their bundles. And then Mr. Gininda was then told, go and check this statement because he inserted himself in a discussion between the state as well as, of course, the defense adjudicated by the judge. And then Mr. Baloyi himself, he said, no, we don't have that statement. In fact, we are going to investigate why we don't have this statement. And I hope Mr. Mnisi is going to extract this from the records and let this guy hear himself, because he did not elaborate like he was trying to elaborate this afternoon. He said, no, we do have that statement, is in the docket, and he left it like that. No elaborations. Now today, he's like, no, those were not my exact words. My exact words was, yes, we do have the statement in the docket, and then it goes off tangent. That was not the question. We want the statement that you said you have it of Kelly Kumalo in communication with accused number 3. That's all that we are asking for. Not this story that you were and then not coming the judge who's supposed to listen, who says, Egleister, why you were not listening last week when the witness that is right next to you said those words? And now you are asking, oh, this new one that Mr. Balo just snuck in, was it discovered to the defense? Of course it was discovered to the defense because it's already on record from staying in August 2023. But the one we're asking for is the one Gininda introduced. Where is that statement? That's the one that we want. But no, because the judge realizes that, ooh, the state is pushed against the court, we need to dribble these guys. And surely enough, they were dribbled because the very statement that Baloy handed over, and yet he said they don't have such a statement of Steyn saying that, or he submitted a statement where he says that accused number 3 and Kelly Khumalo were in communication. We know about the link, that there is a link amongst them, but the statement where it says Kelly Khumalo had communications with accused number 3. That's the statement we're looking for. Not this nonsense that we saw in the court. I mean, I had to show you guys. I didn't want to say anything because anyways, I was not around for me to have made my own commentary. But what is this? Isn't this brazen, like blatant? It's like in your face. This is what we are doing. Because this judge was not supposed to say, okay, this statement that is already, what is it? Exhibit 01. No, they have it. They all say we have it. But the one that we want is the one Gininda said he has, and it's in that docket. Which docket was he talking about? Because he should have challenged the defense through the state and said, no, those statements you're asking for is in the docket. You have to talk to them about it, to look into their bundles. But no, they decided to dribble the defense together with the judge. Now, I am hoping now that the court records are going to show, and we listen to Gininda. He never elaborated. He likes elaborating and jumping in. And at the end of the day, he then starts to, once again, this guy, I don't know if he struggles with God ego or something like that. Is it God ego or God syndrome? I think one of the two. Where he thinks he's bigger than everybody, to a point where now he's like demanding for respect inside of the court. And yet the advocate is saying, listen, this is what you said, and I'm looking for that. Now he's demanding for respect. That's digression right there. And manipulation too. Because he knows that he's pushed against the corner, because he likes to insert himself instead of keep quiet and let the two take each other on and come to some kind of agreement that no, we don't have such a statement. And then Mr. Mnisi would have said, okay, may we please have the statement. But just before Mr. Mnisi asked that, he jumps in. He jumps in. Clever. Jumps in. And now we are in this situation. And this situation, it's on record now. Because they won. Now, can we unwin them by playing the court record to the judge so the judge can make a different judgment? That is, if he's interested in the true carriage of justice, or the interest of justice, as they put it. No. I was not happy. In fact, this is the point where I stood up and I went to where I needed to go, because there was no way I was going to continue listening to all that nonsense. I don't even know what time they even adjourned. Did they adjourn at 4 as per the letter that I misunderstood? Guys, when it comes to understanding, we're different. All right? I will not understand things the way you understand them. I will not. And you will not understand things the way I understand them either. That is why we have a platform like this, so that we can put our thoughts together. There's no wrong or right. There's no winner or loser. I don't understand that mentality. Where do you get it from? How are you even a member of the clan if you think like that? I want to know. I was disappointed in some of y'all. Highly disappointed. You can disagree, fine. I have no issue with disagreeing with me. I have no issues with that. But where it's mixed with disrespect, no, I did not appreciate that, guys. I really didn't. If when Wabalege scored in for this one get comprehension, that's not my fault. That's not my fault. And that, guys, please do not leave this video without liking, sharing, commenting, or subscribing. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.